one more time. One more time, okay? Sure, are you okay? Yes, okay, she said yes. Okay, volunteers, big smiles, ready? And let's go. Through number, and ready to fly? Me admiring myself. Okay, Lynn, over to you. Alright. Now, organs in general, they can be found in two continents of the world, Africa and Asia. These birds, they also have a distinctive feature over their wings called a cusp. It can just be a small ridge or even big and brightly colored. Okay, that's very interesting, but Lynn, I'm sure you've got more fun facts to share about them, right? Of course, what their feet so big, yes. So these birds, they are great hoppers. So right now we are going to watch Olivia do some hopping. Olivia, are you ready? Let's go! Hop with your toes. Look at that. Team hop, team hop. Now because they have three toes up front and drop soles, their feet gives them the strength and stability when they move up and down branches in the forest. I'm pretty sure everyone knows that, right? Yes, I want to talk about their tongues. So hornbills, they've got very short tongues, as you can see up on the big screen, but they're able to use their tongues to toss fruit back into their mouth. Now these birds, they are also agile flyers, which means they can catch their prey mid-air without even stopping. Now we're going to do some demonstration for the rest already on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, all the way up. Okay, and we're supposed to throw upwards, okay? Not throw to the ground, okay? Let's try this one more time, okay? Ready, ready, let's try this once more, yeah? On the count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, oh! Beautiful dance! Let's give a loud round of applause for Olivia. You are being so fine, awesome! Good to see you. Bye! Good afternoon, Vicky. So red-white hornbills like Vicky there, they can be found in Asia, and they are one of the largest species of hornbills that you can find in this region. So in Borneo, where these birds can be found, some tribes, they believe that if a hornbill were to fly over an area or a village, you will be blessed with good luck. Interesting, right? Now, one fun fact about hornbills is that they have very long and beautiful eyelashes, just like that. Now, this helps them when they are flying through the thick bushes of the rainforest, helps to protect their eyes. So, Vicky here is going to expect the nest cavity right up there. These birds are trained, but they are not tame, alright? So once we thank you guys so much for joining us today, and we hope to see you again.
Turtles.